In today's video, I want to introduce a new version of RSI which performs incredibly well, and then I will teach you a trading strategy based on this new RSI that is very accurate and highly profitable. To add this amazing RSI to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search ultimate RSI. This one, we add this one, which is a free indicator from Lux Algo. Alright, this is our new RSI and it's built based on the calculation of the old RSI, relative strength index, and it's adjusted in a way that has more emphasis on the trends, so we have less noises on this new RSI in compared to the old one. And unlike to the original RSI, which is more commonly used for identifying overbought oversold conditions and reversal of the price, this new one is designed for trend following strategies, giving us the opportunity to enter a trade in the current direction of the market. As you can see, we have two lines here and they are fluctuating above and below the center line, which is 50. This line, which changes color between white, green and red, is ultimate RSI line, and this orange line is signal line, which is a 14 period moving average of this RSI line. First of all, I go to the settings of this RSI indicator and change the method of calculation. By default, the method is set at RMA, but we set it at TMA, triangular moving average, which is a smoother one and less reactive to the price changes. And for the signal line also we set it at TMA. Alright, now we have a smoother movements of these two lines. Here in this indicator, the level of oversold is set at 20 and the level of overbought is set at 80. But unlike to the old RSI and this new RSI, when RSI line goes above 80, it shows a strong uptrend and is highlighted by green color, as you can see. And on the other hand, when RSI line goes below 20, it shows strong downtrend and is highlighted by red color. Similar to the original RSI, here also the center line crossovers can indicate a major change in the trend. For example, when it goes below 50, it can be a sign for starting of a downtrend, and when it goes above 50, it can be a sign for starting of an uptrend. But in between, you must also expect false signals, especially when the market is flat. And during range markets, you can see many center line crossovers. Alright, now let me teach you a trading strategy based on this new RSI. We need to add another two indicators to our chart. The first one that we want to add is MACD. This one, moving average convergence divergence, and we need to change its settings. So we go to its settings here, and here in the inputs tab, for the fast length we set it at 100, for the slow length we set it at 200, and for signal smoothing we set it at 50. And then here in the style tab, we remove MACD line and signal line because we don't need them. And the next indicator that we want to add is ADX, this one, average directional index. And we will use this indicator with its default settings, and we just need to add a horizontal line here at 20 level. And in case if it's not set at 20, you can go to the line settings, and here in coordinates tab, you can easily set it at 20. Alright, everything is already set on the chart. And before we start the strategy, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. In this strategy, we use this MACD as a guide on the overall trend of the market. When it's red, the trend is down, and when it's green, the trend is up. And we use this ADX for knowing when the market is not trending, because MACD is not able to tell us when the market is not trending. And during flat markets, you may have MACD in green or red or alternating between colors repeatedly. If you work with ADX, so you know that when ADX line is below 20, it shows that the market is not trending, and when ADX line goes above 20, it tells us that the market is trending. And in our strategy, we use this new RSI to discover when the price is moving strongly. As I explained earlier, when this RSI line goes below 20, it shows strong downtrend. When we have this signal from this new RSI, we need two more confirmations. MACD histogram should be red and ADX line should be above 20. So here the signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position based on the signal here at this point. The stop loss for this trade is placed above the previous swing high, and as you can see, this trade is a profitable trade. And on the other hand, when RSI line goes above 80, it shows strong advancing of the price. And in this situation, MACD histogram should be green and ADX line must also be above 20, which you can see that it's not the case here, so the signal is rejected and we don't enter any long position here. But But after that, again here the RSI line went above 80, MACD histogram is green, and ADX line is above 20. So the signal is confirmed, and we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low, and this trade is also a successful trade, as you can see. Another confirmed buy signal we had here, so we could also catch this strong advancing of the price. Here RSI line went below 20, but MACD histogram doesn't confirm because it's green, so no short position here. But here again RSI went below 20, MACD histogram is red, and ADX is above 20, so we got a confirmed short position signal here, and another one here which is a confirmed short position signal because MACD histogram is red, ADX is above 20, and we continue like this. Please pay attention that although this strategy has very high degree of accuracy, but it doesn't mean it will not generate false signals. There is no indicator or strategy that can give you 100% guaranteed signals, and you always need to manage your risk properly, no matter how accurate is your trading strategy or how much experience you have. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's one of the best risk management strategies that you can use to protect your trading account. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it because risk management is one of the key factors in your trading success. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.